How to turn on dark mode on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you probably know, there's no way for you to turn on Instagram to dark mode within the app itself. But luckily, there's an easy workaround that we can use which will get the job done. In order for you to do that, you need to change your entire phone to dark mode. And once you do that, you will see that Instagram has turned on its dark mode. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do so as of right now. And yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and get the dark mode on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.